Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today the date is 28th May 2022 and you are watching the week that was with Vishnu Agarwal. Here are the 5 big headlines of this week. PARADEEP Phosphates lists its share. The second headline is that Hindalco and Page Industries report strong result. Stock prices rises subsequently. Petrol diesel become cheaper after center slashes excise duty. Fourth, high volatility in rupee, dollar, gold, oil is affecting the market. The fifth, the Nifty volatility continues. Let us go deep into each of these headlines. First, the PARADEEP Phosphates, another lackluster IPO. PARADEEP Phosphates Limited, an Odisha-based fertilizer manufacturer, debuted on the markets on Friday this week. The stock opened at Rs 44 on NSE against an issue price of Rs 42. There was a negligible listing premium which matched expectations as the stock was only 1.75 times subscribed on the last day of subscription. After listing, the stock price rose 7% to a high of Rs 47.25. However, by the end of the day, the gains had been retracted and the stock closed at Rs 43. Overall, the investor confidence in IPO stocks has been shaken, and it is possible that going forward, retail investors will refrain from partaking in such public issues. Hindalco and Page Industries report strong results. Stock prices rise subsequently. Two heavyweight companies reported annual results this week. Apparel producer Page Industries reported 26% year-on-year revenue growth and 65% year-on-year increase in profits in quarter 4. Correspondingly, share price increased 77% in the Friday morning session. These results are a testament that Page Industry has operating margin expansion potential and that it will be a promising stock in the future. Similar to Page, Hindalco Industries, one of the largest metal companies in India, also reported strong earnings and saw share price rise as a result of that. The company posted a 37.7% year-on-year increase in revenue and a 100% year-on-year increase in net profit in quarter 4. On a sequential basis, net profit increased 4.8% from the previous quarter. Hindalco shares price rose 6% in the morning session despite Nifty Metal Index underperforming. Friends, let us now move to the third big headline. Petrol diesel became cheaper after center slashes excise duty in the beginning of this week. Our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced a cut in excise duty on petrol by Rs 8 per litre and Rs 6 per litre on diesel. As we know, the price of fuel in India varies state to state depending on local taxation and freight charges. After the centre's rate reduction announcement, the state governments of Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Kerala decreased VAT on petrol and diesel, providing further relief to the consumer. Let us hope that India is able to maintain this rate cut and that lower petrol and diesel prices will support economic growth. Now let us move to the dollar, rupee, oil and gold. Dollar moves to 1 month low. The US dollar moved towards a 1 month low on Thursday, reacting to the Federal Reserve's May meeting minutes, which revealed that the Fed is likely to follow through with aggressive rate hikes in June and July to control inflation. Rupee ends flat amid sustained FII outflows. The rupee declined marginally and stood at 77.57 against the US dollar. Relentless FII outflow is the major contributor for the same. Oil shoots up again. Oil prices rose on Thursday with continued uncertainty about supplies with the ongoing Russia-Ukraine crisis. Brent crude futures were at Rs 107.3 per barrel and the WTI was at 113.9 per barrel, hovering near 2-month highs. Gold. As the dollar edged higher, gold prices fell this week. The highest standard 24 karat gold was sold at Rs 50,940 per 10 gram, lower by Rs 230. Gold has support at Rs 50,500 and resistance at Rs 51,100. Let us now move to the Nifty levels. This week, the market exhibited a lot of intraday volatility, fluctuating between gains and losses very frequently. On Monday, 23rd of May, Indian indices opened in green, continuing the positive momentum seen last Friday, 20th May. However, this positivity did not last very long. Nifty went on to undo the gains that it had achieved by posting lower lows and lower highs for 3 consecutive days. On Thursday, after the negative impact of trader closing out their FNO trades for May month expiry was logged, some respite started to emerge in the second half. Friends, on Friday, the market managed to sustain this slight uptick, closing at rupees 16,356. This could have been fueled with the recovery in the US market as well. US up move was spurred by several companies receiving upbeat forecasts as well as a report confirming that the US economy had contracted in the first quarter. The news was taken positively as economic contraction could prevent Fed's planned aggressive interest rate hikes. As we said last week, rupees 16,400 is a crucial resistance zone for the Nifty index. It is only when there is a confirmed breakout above this level on higher than average volume that we can hope for a change in the current short-term downtrend that the market is in. Immediate support for Nifty is 16,000, whereas 34,500 and 35,500 are important levels to watch out for Bank Nifty. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful weekend. See you again next time. Same place, same time. Goodbye till then.